Dear learners, how are you? I hope all of you are in sound health with sound mind. COVID-19 has grasped the whole world. All of us are cut off from our academic activities. So, Sirajganj Online School has arranged online classes. I am Abul Kalam Azad, Assistant Professor in English of Belkusi Government College, welcoming you to the online class arranged by Sirajganj Online School. Dear learners, I hope all of you will be highly benefited if you join the class attentively. Today, I am discussing transformation of sentence from English second paper. I already discussed many rules of transformation of sentences. You know that in this chapter you will have to change only the sentence structure of the sentence, but the meaning of the sentences will remain unchanged. And transformation sentence is very much important for you. And if you practice the rules again and again, I hope all of you will be able to solve the problems as transformation sentence, as you have already solved the problems in SSC class. Now, today I will discuss various rules from degree. Degree is the comparison of adjective and adverb. We find three kinds of degrees, such as positive degree, comparative degree, and 3 superlative degree. Positive degree means the adjective positive degree means positive degree makes comparison. Positive degree makes no comparison with any other thing or person, such as Karim is a good boy. Here, good is an adjective. It's a positive degree. It makes no comparison with no other person except Karim. It makes no comparison with any other person. This is the basic form of adjective or adverb. Comparative degree makes comparison between two things or two persons, such as Karim is better than Rohim. Here, better makes comparison between Karim and Rohim. And the last, superlative degree. Superlative degree makes comparison among all the persons or things, such as Karim is the best boy in the class. Karim is the best boy in the class. Positive degree, Karim is a good boy. Here, good expresses only the quality of Karim. It makes no comparison with any other person except Karim. Better makes comparison between Karim and Rohim. And best makes comparison among all the boys in the class. Now, at first we'll have to see how we can change the word from positive to comparative, comparative to superlative. positive, comparative, superlative. To change the sentence from positive to comparative or comparative to superlative or superlative to positive, at first you will have to change the words, the adjective or adverb from one form to another, such as good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, mass or many, comparative more, superlative most. Except these three words, we have many adjective or adverb which will have to change from positive to comparative or positive to superlative, etc. Such as tall is an adjective. If you want to change the word into comparative, we will have to add er after the main word, taller. And if we want to change the word into superlative, we will have to use est after the word. Tall, taller, tallest. Another example, strong. If you want to change the word to comparative, we have to add er. Stronger. If you want to change the word into superlative, we have to add est. Strong, stronger, strongest. The word which has only one syllable, if you want to change the word into comparative, then we will add er after the word, and if you want to change the word superlative, we will have to use est. Tall, taller, tallest, strong, stronger, strongest, fast, faster, fastest, deep, deeper, deepest, etc. There are many words which have only one syllable. Then to transform the sentence from positive to comparative, comparative to superlative, we will have to add er or est after the word. Now there are some words costly. If you want to change the word into comparative, costlier, superlative, costliest. Another example, pretty, comparative, prettier, y will transform into I, superlative, prettiest. And if we get two or more syllables in a word, then how can we change it into comparative degree, such as useful. Useful, here we get two syllables. If we want to change the word into comparative degree, we will have to add more before the word. More useful, most useful. Another example, beautiful, beautiful. We find three syllables here. If you want to change the word into comparative, we will have to add more before the word. More beautiful, superlative or superlative, most beautiful. Another word, intelligent, intelligent, intelligent. Here we find four syllables. To change the word into comparative, we have to use more before the word. More intelligent, most intelligent. This is how we can change the word positive, comparative and superlative. To change the sentence, at first you will have to change the word from positive to comparative or comparative to superlative or superlative to positive, etc. Now we will try our best to change the sentence from positive to comparative or comparative to superlative. Notice the sentence. The mutton chop was the cheapest dish on the menu. Now you will have to change the sentence into positive degree. The mutton chop was the cheapest dish on the menu. The mutton chop was the cheapest dish on the menu. At first, we will have to detect in which degree the sentence is. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. We are sure that this sentence is in superlative degree, cheapest. If we at first we will have to change the adjective into positive degree. To change the adjective into positive degree, we will have to omit est from the main word, and we will have to omit the if we use the word as positive degree. Cheap. Now the sentence is the mutton chop was cheap dish on the menu, but you must keep in mind that we can only change the structure of the sentence. The meaning of the sentence will remain unchanged. So to keep the meaning of the sentence unchanged, we will have to use some technique. We will have to rearrange the sentence in some way. The sentence is in superlative degree, cheapest superlative degree. Now if we change the sentence into positive degree, then to keep the meaning unchanged, we will have to set up no other. You will have to keep in mind that we will set up 5 parts. The first part is no other. To change the sentence from superlative to positive, at first we will have to use no other. Then we will transfer the rest of the word after the rest of the sentence after the degree, positive degree. Dish on the menu. The rest of the part of the sentence we will use after no other. We will use the rest of the part of the sentence. Cheapest, cheap, superlative degree. After the superlative degree, we find dish on the menu. The rest of the part of the sentence, the dish on the menu. We will use the rest of the part after no other. No other, dish on the menu. This is second part. Now we will have to use verb, finite verb. After the subject, we find the finite verb was. This is the third part. Now we will have to use the degree, positive degree. The cheapest is the superlative degree and its positive form is cheap. Before cheap, we can use as, cheap as. This is fourth part of the sentence, changed sentence. Now we can use the subject, the last part of the sentence, as the mutton chop. This is the fifth part. So to transform the sentence from superlative to positive, at first we will use no other. Then we can use rest of the part of the sentence dish on the menu. Dish on the menu. After degree, after positive degree, we use we can use the rest of the part after positive degree, dish on the menu. Then we can use verb was. Then we can use positive degree chief. We can use as, chief, as. We can use as before the positive degree and after the positive degree. Then we can use the subject, the mutton chop. The mutton chop was the cheapest dish on the menu. Mutton chop, খাসির মাংসের চপ এই মেনুতে খাদ্য তালিকায় সবচেয়ে সস্তা খাবার। No other menu was as cheap as the mutton chop. No other dish on the menu was as cheap as the mutton chop. এই তালিকায় মাটন চপের মতো এত সস্তা খাবার আর কোনোটাই নেই। The sentence has been changed from superlative to positive. Another example, the Sundarbans is the largest mangrove forest in the world. If you want to change the sentence into positive degree, how can we change the sentence into positive degree? The sentence is in superlative degree, largest. If you want to change the sentence into positive, we'll have to change the word largest. The positive form of largest is large. We'll omit the. Now, according to the rule, at first to change the sentence from superlative to positive, at first we'll use no other. Then we'll take the rest of the part after the degree. Mangrove forest in the world. No other. Mangrove forest in the world. Now we'll use verb. After the subject we find verb. Here the verb is. Now we'll change the degree, superlative degree into positive degree. Large, largest, comparative, larger, positive, large. We can use as before or after the positive degree. As large, as. Now we'll use the subject. The Sundarbans. The Sundarbans is the largest mangrove forest in the world. সুন্দরবন পৃথিবীতে সবচেয়ে বড় ম্যানগ্রোভ বন। পৃথিবীতে সুন্দরবনের মতো এত বড় ম্যানগ্রোভ বন আর কোনোটি নাই। The sentence has been changed from superlative to positive, but the meaning remains unchanged. Now another example. Jerry is the best boy I have ever found. Now we'll have to change the sentence into positive degree. Best, the sentence is in superlative degree. Now you will have to change it into positive degree. The same rule. At first we will have to use no other. To keep the meaning unchanged, at first we will use no other. Then after degree we can use the rest of the part of the sentence. No other boy I have ever found. Then we will use verb. After subject we find the verb is. Second part, third part. Now we can change superlative degree into positive. Good, and we use as after or before the positive degree as. After and before positive degree good we can use as. After the positive degree and before the positive degree as. Good, as. Now we will use subject. Jerry. No other boy I have ever found is as good as Jerry. She is the most intelligent girl in the class. Now we'll have to change the sentence into positive degree. She is the most intelligent girl in the class. To change, at first we will have to change the word into positive. To change the word into positive, we will have to omit most and the. Then the positive form will be intelligent. Now, according to the rule, previous rule, to change the sentence from superlative to positive, at first we will use no other. At the top of the sentence, we will use no other. Then, after degree, the rest of the part of the sentence. No other girl in the class. Then we will use verb is. The positive form of most intelligent is intelligent, and we use as after or before the word intelligent. As intelligent as. Now we will use subject she. No other girl in the class is as intelligent as she. The first rule, superlative to positive. To change the sentence from superlative to positive degree, at first we use no other, then we will take the rest of the part after the degree, dish on the menu, then we can use verb, then we can change the superlative degree into positive, and before or after the positive degree we can use as to keep the meaning unchanged. Then we can use subject at the end of the sentence. This is the first rule. Now again another rule. He is the tallest boy in the class. If we change the word sentence into positive, according to the previous rule, the positive form of tallest is tall. So at first we can use no other, then we can use boy in the class. Then we can use verb is. The positive form of tallest is tall as the subject he. According to the previous rule, no other boy in the class is as tall as he. Now another rule, he is one of the tallest boys in the class. We will have to change the sentence into positive degree. He is one of the tallest boys in the class. The difference, we notice the difference between the first sentence and the second sentence. He is one of the tallest. He is the tallest boy in the class. সে ক্লাসে সবচেয়ে লম্বা ছেলে. He is one of the tallest boys in the class. সে ক্লাসে সবচেয়ে লম্বা ছেলেদের মধ্যে অন্যতম. Meaning is some different. He is one of the tallest boys in the class. Now we will have to change the, if you want to change the sentence into positive degree, then we can use very few in the place of no other. In the place of no other, the rules are same. We can use very few in the place of no other. For if we find one of plus superlative degree, then we can use very few in the place of no other, very few. Now after degree, we can use the rest of the sentence. Boys in the class. Boys in the class. Now we can use the verb but. as voice is plural form, so we must change the verb into plural form. It's very important for you. You often make mistake. As voice is a plural form, so we must change the verb into plural form. Is, are. Now the positive form of tallest is tall, as the first noun or pronoun. Very few boys in the class are as tall as he. The Padma is one of the longest rivers in the world. Now we'll have to change the sentence into positive degree. On of plus superlative degree. On of plus superlative degree. Here noun is in plural form. So we can use very few in the place of no other. For no other we can use very few. Very few. Now the rest of the sentence after the adjective, after the positive degree. Rivers in the world. Now as rivers is in plural form, so our verb must be in plural form. Are as longest, as long as the Padma. Very few rivers in the world are as long as the Padma. The second rule. Now the third rule. It was the cheapest dish on the menu. We'll have to change the sentence into comparative. It was the cheapest dish on the menu. Now we'll change the sentence into comparative without the change of meaning. Cheapest, superlative degree, its comparative form is cheaper. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. At first we can change the word from superlative to positive cheap and comparative cheaper. Now to keep the meaning unchanged, we will set up subject. There will be no change of subject, no change of verb. It was cheapest, superlative form, cheapest, comparative, cheaper, subject, verb, comparative degree. Then we can use than any other. After comparative degree, we will have to use than any other to keep the meaning unchanged. Then any other. Now the rest of the sentence will remain unchanged. It was cheaper than any other dish on the menu. It was cheaper than any other dish on the menu. It was the cheapest dish on the menu. এটা সবচেয়ে মেনুতে সবচেয়ে সস্তা খাবার. It was cheaper than any other dish on the menu. এটা মেনুর অন্য যে কোনো খাবারের তুলনায় সস্তা. The meaning is same of both the sentences. Only the structure has been changed from superlative to comparative. Another sentence. He is the most intelligent boy in the class. We will have to change it into comparative. He is the most intelligent boy in the class. To change the sentence into comparative, we will set up subject, then verb. Subject and verb will remain unchanged. The comparative form of most intelligent is more intelligent. More intelligent. Now we will use than any other. Then we can use the rest of the word. Boy rest of the sentence in the class. He is more intelligent than any other boy in the class. If the sentence is he is one of the tallest boys in the class, if you change the sentence into comparative degree, one of plus superlative degree. Here we can use the same rule like superlative to positive, like the previous rule. We can set up subject and verb. Subject and verb will remain unchanged. For one of plus superlative, the tallest comparative form of tallest is taller. Then we can use than, most other. In the place of than any other, we can use than most other. Then the rest of the sentence will remain unchanged. Boys in the class. He is taller than most other boys in the class. Now another rule. He is as fast as a deer. As fast as a deer, you have to change the sentence into comparative degree. Comparative degree. As fast as a deer. To change the sentence into comparative degree, we will take the last noun or pronoun at first. We will use a deer at the beginning of the sentence. A deer. If the verb is positive, to keep the meaning unchanged, if the verb is positive, we will change it into negative. Is not. Now the comparative form of fast is faster. Then we can use than. After comparative degree, we usually use than. A deer is not faster than. Now the first noun or pronoun. A deer is not faster than he. A deer is not faster than he. Another example. He is as strong as a lion. The same rule, if you want to change the sentence into comparative degree, at first we can use a lion at the beginning of the sentence. A lion, then the verb is affirmative, so we can change it into negative. Is not. Is not. For strong, we can use stronger as comparative degree. Stronger. Now we can use than. Then we can use subject he. A lion is not stronger than he. This is how we can change the various degrees from positive to comparative, superlative to comparative, superlative to positive, etc. There are some rules also in this chapter. I hope all of you will try your best to practice the rules attentively. It's very easy, a simple chapter, and you will try your best to practice again and again. No more today. Thank you very much. See you again.